Syntax means rules on how sentence is constructed in a language. For example, in Hindi, which is a human language, subject, object, and verbs are the three elements that are used in this order: subject first, then object, and then verb. But in English, the same three elements are used in a different order: subject, then verb, and then object. But in every human language, the basics are the same. These three elements are used but in a different order. Similarly, in programming languages, the basics are the same. So if you learn Python in this course, it will become easier for you to learn another programming language. Now let's talk about semantics. Semantics means meaning of a sentence. Both in human languages and programming languages, for a statement to be correct, it should have both a correct syntax and a correct semantics. For example, if I say I'm learning Python, the syntax is correct and the semantics is also correct. But if I say I eat Python, the syntax is correct, but the semantics is wrong. I'm not eating Python. I'm learning Python. In human languages, even though sometimes if we use a wrong syntax or a wrong semantics, there are chances that the human being to whom we are addressing might understand the actual syntax or semantic. For example, if I say to someone, I'm eating Python, they might think that, okay, I might be wrong in my words, but I might mean like I'm learning Python. However, if I say I'm eating Python to a computer, it will take it very literally. It will not add extra information like a human being will do. And here we can go wrong. Therefore, while learning a programming language, it's very important for us to learn correct syntax and correct semantics.